Good morning. This is your language lesson for today. What day is it? Let me not tell you. Let's do our days of the week song. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. Those are the days we go to school. Saturday and Sunday, those make the weekend. Those are the days we stay at home. Who can tell me what the day is today? Well, the song doesn't make as much sense anymore because the days we stay at home now are all the days right now instead of just Saturday and Sunday. So it's a little bit harder to keep track of the days. But does anyone know? It's Thursday today. Thursday and tomorrow's Friday. Just have 2 more days of the week. Okay, let's look at the calendar. The calendar is right here. Okay, so remember it's March and we're getting down March, so we're actually all the way to here. This is Thursday, March the 26th. All right, and remember the beautiful picture here on the March. So when we get to the end, let's see how many more days. You've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 more days until we turn the page to what month? April. That's right. Okay. All right. So let's do the sign language. Okay. Good morning. Today is Thursday. Make your M. March the 26th, 2020. Let me ask you a question. What's the weather? Now, is it cloudy? Sunny? You know, I'll tell you a secret that's confusing. I'm doing this video on Wednesday, not on Thursday. So the weather, when you see this, could be different from what I'm seeing, but right now I'm seeing it's really cloudy. I would say there are a lot of cumulus clouds out there, and the sun keeps getting covered up. Let's see. Okay, let's move on now. You're probably wondering what the sea animal, the mammal, and we can call it a marine mammal. That's a good word for it. What's the marine mammal? Well, I have a riddle for you to see if you can guess the marine mammal today. Okay, ready? What mammal swims free? Arf, 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 out in the blue sea. Arf, 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 he likes to eat fish. Arf, 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 but not in a dish. Arf, 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 he likes to do tricks. Arf, 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 but he won't fetch sticks. If you haven't guessed, we'll reveal it's a what? Seal, a seal, a seal. Arf, arf, arf. How many of you guessed seal? I hope so. Anyway, that's our animal today, seal. And today you can listen to Miss Addie reading a book called Little Harp Seal. And for handwriting today, there will be a seal picture to color and to write a sentence. And because it's your handwriting work, I want you to write your sentence as nicely as you can. Make sure it starts with a capital letter. Make sure it ends with a period. Have nice spaces between your words. And be really daring for the words that you're going to write by yourself. Okay. So that's what you'll do with handwriting and story time with seals. And that's about it right now with seals, because you know we have to move on to our Alphachants. We have 2 Alphachants this week, our X and our Q. So let me get right to that. Let's start with Q because that was our first letter. And here it is. You already saw it earlier this week when I showed Q. Now, there are not very many cue words, so these are probably cue words that we've already mentioned. There's so few. If you use your picture power here, you might never know how to read this word except you use the picture power and you use your sound power, qua, and you know it's what? A quilt. By the way, I hope you liked Miss Barbara's story about the story quilt yesterday. Those of you who were in room 7 last year know Miss Barbara very well. Those of you who weren't in room 7, you might not know Miss Barbara. But she was happy to read a story to you, and I hope you enjoyed it. Okay, so now, if you didn't use your sound power, you could look at this picture and say, oh, chick. But then you look down here and say, no, 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 qua, qua, qua. So it can't be chick. It's quick, quick. The chick is running quick. And then you look over here, you could say hen. No, 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 it's not hen. You have to see qua, qua. Let's see if we can sound it quiet. She's going quiet. Okay. Quilt, quick, quiet. Now this first sentence starts with a word we don't know. It's not a sight word. It's going to be hard to look at the picture, so we're going to sound it out. Under, sight word, the, and we learned this, quilt. Read it with me. Under the quilt, comma, it's not the end of the sentence. Oh, look, it's the same word. We already learned this word. Quick, quick, quick. It's an exclamation. Quick, quick, quick. I hope you see the picture. Cute, aren't they? They're so cute. Okay, so first word, b-e, be, v, airy, very, what? Quiet. Be very quiet. Mommy's telling them. And that wasn't the end of the sentence, it had a comma, it wasn't the end yet. Sight word, my, chick, 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 period. So she said, be very quiet, my chick, chick, chick. And one more sentence. Quiet, chick, exclamation. Don't kick. Let's read it all. Quiet, chick, don't kick. And here's the cute little picture. Okay, we'll read the whole story. I don't know if it's helpful for me to put my finger. Let me just hold it up without my finger and just see what that's like for you. Under the quilt. Quick, quick, quick. Be very quiet, my chick, chick, chick. Quiet, chick, don't kick. Now I can see in my phone that I wasn't really holding it up so you could see it. So let's do it one more time with my finger. Under the quilt. Quick, quick, quick. Be very quiet, my chick, chick, chick. Quiet, chick, don't kick. All right, let's go on to our X book. And X, you can see from the cover, it's going to be about what animal, for sure? Fox, right? Because fox is a great word that ends with X. So here's the title page there. You see that cute fox. Now we've talked in our class about the kind of foxes that live around here. And you remember what we said? There's two kind of foxes. There's the gray foxes and the red foxes. And this one is obviously a red fox. Okay, so this book has easier books than the cute, easier words. Of course, you know this says fox, fox. And you know this says box, b-ox. Now, these words here are called compound words. It's two words stuck together. So if we cover this up, we see it says box. And if we cover this up, it says box, but it's different kinds of boxes. So this one, if you use your picture power, you know right away, it's a sandbox. Two words stuck together. And this, if you use your picture power, you can see it's a mailbox. Okay, because now remember those words, sandbox and mailbox, they're going to be in the story. Okay. Sight word, can. Another sight word, you. And this is when we'll sound out find, find, a, what's this word? Fox. Let's read the whole thing. Can you find a fox? Question. Now, look at the picture. Did you see the fox anywhere? Any foxes to be found? All right. Says, find a fox in the big box. Okay? Find a fox in the big box. See the fox? A fox in the, remember this big word? Sandbox. And you can look at the picture power. A fox in the sandbox. Okay. See ya? And a fox in the, let me move it back, mailbox. Okay, now, what if I hold it back? You know, I'm going to keep learning about this. Actually, this is our last Alphachants. So, but now I'm thinking maybe I should always hold it back here instead of close like this. But we'll see. So this says, find 6 foxes, sight word, in 6 boxes. Okay? Find 6 foxes in 6 boxes. Now this is a little tricky because you already had learned the word fox and you'd already learned the word box, but then they made them bigger by saying foxes to make more than one fox. So foxes, boxes, bigger word, huh? Now, can you see, do you have a good enough view of where can you count the 6 foxes? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I found them. Just a little closer. Make sure you can see them. Okay. All right. So now we're just about done for this part. I want to tell you that for language project today, you're going to start writing workshop. And you got your writing workshop folders in your packets, or hopefully you have them by today. You were supposed to pick them up tomorrow. Yeah. Yes, oh, never mind what I'm saying. Okay, well, there's a lot of things to say about writing workshops, so I think I'm going to make that in a separate video because I'd like to have your parents or one of your parents watch with you so they can understand what the writing workshop is. Okay? I'm kind of hoping that everybody's going to get excited about it. We had so much fun in our classroom. We started writing workshop, but I want you to keep going with it. Okay? So I'll say goodbye now, and then I'll see you really soon for the next video.